Tāna o mahanga oku haka kua tituri e a hau te rā wā. And ko Tāne, well, he was the man in Māoridom in terms of achievements. And ultimately had to write a haka about him and his exploits because he did marvellous things.
O tērā o ngā haka tāne, he haka ka whakamānawa, ka whakarangatira, ka whakaputa mai ngā kōrero mo tērā o ngā atua tai ore ore, arau ko Tāne. He haka e whakanuia, whakamānawa, whakamiha, e whakarangatira tērā o ngā tino atua nā tātou anō. Hei tāpiri atu ki tērā me whai whakaaro mo te wā i tito ai te haka. Nā tā mea nāia tonu nei, pai ana, mōhio tia whānui tia ngā mahi o Tāne, engari taua wā, kāre tino mōhio tia whānui tia ngā kura. When it was thought of to write this haka, he ao anō ki reira. And there was no, it wasn't well known about Māori tikanga. So it was sort of, you know, before its time in terms of its presentation. And it was a haka that was about, you know, the Māori worldview, about Māori esoteric knowledge. We were under the pump when we were putting that haka together. We asked all the boys to come back early from New Year's. Ka hoki mai rātou, I think the tuatoru o te marama tuatahi. We had like 1 month exactly, kia whakatū tēnei o ngā haka. So kai waho nei te unga puka puka atu ngā Tāne e ako ana, kai roto māua i te whare kai e tuhi ana nāna i tuhi. Nā aku ngā mahi whiu rākau. Did one verse come out, whakaakongia, ka hoki mai, next verse, hoki mai, ki waho whakaakongia. So it was like composing, doing the actions, teaching on the hop. Engari, pērā te āhua, mind you've done that a few times, eh? Mm-hmm. But nothing like pressure to get those juices going, those last few weeks, eh? Yeah. Te mea mauha marare tia nei, nāna i tito i te wā ka puta mai te Commonwealth Games, you know, nāna te mahi mo te opening ceremony, me te closing ceremony, nā reila he nui ona mahi taua wā. Ko te wā o te closing ceremony, e horite ki tō mātou wā tū ki te atamira, ki Waitangi. Nā reira ka paku inoi atu mena ka tae te tū hei te mutunga, ka tae i taua wā. So ko taku maumahara, ko tātou tērā, Mount Smart, did the closing ceremony in our performing uniform. We finished, jumped straight on a bus, travelled 3 hours up to Waitangi, got off the bus, walked straight to the marquee, straight on stage, performed our bracket. And tō mātou waimari anō hoki ka riro te tūranga tuatahi.
Had to. All that fuss, eh, man?
So when you look back at it and you think, geez, will I do that nowadays? I don't know. I don't know if kapa would do that now, you know, but those are the sort of things that you could do.
It was so popular. It was booming in our lives, Maori, regaining all that culture and reliving it and creating it. It's just beautiful.